Terry Eagleton, a prominent British Marxist critic, outlined the categories of Marxist analysis of literature. According to Eagleton, all forms of consciousness, religious, moral, philosophical, legal, as well as language itself, have no independent history. They arise from the material activity of human beings. Material production is regarded as the ultimate determining factor of social existence, and class struggle is viewed as the central dynamic of historical development. The class, which is the ruling material force, is also the ruling intellectual force. It owns the means of production both materially and mentally. Eagleton explains the task of revolutionary criticism. Revolutionary criticism would dismantle the ruling concepts of literature, reinserting literary texts into the whole field of cultural practices, to relate such cultural practices to other forms of social activity, and to transform the cultural apparatus themselves. Revolutionary criticism would articulate its cultural analysis with a consistent political intervention. It deconstructs the received hierarchies of literature and transvaluates received judgments and assumptions. Revolutionary criticism engages with the language and unconscious of literary texts to reveal the role in the ideological construction of the subject and mobilize such texts in a struggle to transform those subjects within wider political contexts. The primary task of Marxist criticism is to actively participate in and help direct the cultural emancipation of the masses. The starting point of theory must be a practical, political purpose, and that any theory which will contribute to human emancipation through the socialist transformation of society is acceptable. The means of production includes the means of production of human subjectivity, which embraces a range of institutions such as literature. Therefore, the most difficult emancipation is that of the space of subjectivity, as it is colonized by dominant political order. The humanities as a whole serve an ideological function that helps to perpetuate certain forms of subjectivity.